What is up everyone, Roadrunner here with another After Effects tutorial. Today we're going to be blurring faces. Let's get into it. So I have After Effects open up on my screen, and the first thing I'm going to do is take this clip and drag it into a new composition. And this is just a shot of me walking towards the camera. So I'm going to hit Command D on my keyboard to duplicate it. Then I'm going to go over here and check this box right here for solo layer. And I'm going to hit the home button to go to the first frame of my composition. Then I'm going to hit Q on the keyboard for create mask, and I want the ellipse shape. And using my scroll wheel on my mouse and my spacebar to move around my composition, I'm going to zoom in and draw a nice circle right around my face. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the tracker window, and if you don't see it, you can always go to Window and Tracker. Now, by default, the method I believe is set to position, scale, and rotation. However, I'm going to change this to face tracking, outline only. You can do the detailed features of your face, however, it does take a little bit of extra time, so I'm just going to do face tracking, outline only, and I'm going to hit the play button and watch it track my face. And while I wait for After Effects to finish tracking, I'm going to take this time to say, if you're enjoying this video, feel free to subscribe and comment down below what you'd like to see in future videos. Awesome, now that it's done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the Alt option and the / to fit my composition to my window. And it actually did a pretty good job of tracking my face. So you're probably wondering, hey, all I see is your face, I don't see the other clip, and now what we can do is we could unsolo this layer, and now you can see the background. One thing I do want to say, when you're using the tracker, you can reduce the output quality of the composition window and it will reduce your tracking time. If you're doing quarter or third quality, it won't be as accurate as if you were doing full quality. So do keep that in mind when you're tracking things. So now I'm going to go over to my effects and presets, and I'm going to type in Gaussian blur. I've heard this pronounced so many ways, so I may not be pronouncing it right. And I'm going to drag that onto the top clip. I'm going to change my blurriness up to about 35 or so, and I'm going to hit repeat edge pixels. Now you'll notice that the face is blurry, but it doesn't cover the entirety of the face. You can still see, the edges of the glasses. So what we're going to do is go to the top layer. I'm going to hit M twice to bring up my mask options. And I'm going to feather this out just a little bit. I'm going to say about 10 pixels or so. And what we really want to play with is the mask expansion. You'll notice as I turn up the mask expansion, obviously the area surrounding the mask is getting more and more blurry. I would definitely recommend playing with the mask expansion settings, mask feather, and the blurriness. But for now, I'm going to set my mask expansion to 30, my feather to 20, and actually I'm going to change my blurriness to 50. And let's see how this looks. Awesome, I think that looks pretty good. Thank you so much everyone for joining me for another video. As always, feel free to comment down below what you'd like to see in future videos. Take it easy.